Ever Bright. Essential nutrients specific for eyes and vision. Protecting our eyes is a great investment. Your eyes are the reflection of your healthy spirit. Eyes are considered to be the most important of all the sense organs of our body, which require utmost care throughout the lifetime. Due to modern lifestyle changes in food habits and extraordinary use of our eyes, there is an increase in the number of people affected by eye disorders, particularly diseases like age-related macular degeneration (AMD). A recent scientific study has shown that 8.7% of the worldwide population has AMD, and the projected number of people with the disease is around 196 million in 2020 and may rise up to 288 million in 2040. Some chronic problems have been linked to overexposure of high-energy lights. Frequent exposure to blue through smartphone use, viewing computer screen for long hours and watching TV are key factors affecting our eye health drastically. World Health Organization (WHO) had launched Vision 2020 on 18 February 1999 as a global initiative to eliminate the main causes of all preventable and treatable blindness as a public health issue by the year 2020. It has recommended additional nutritional support to eye health through supplemental intake of key nutrients such as natural pigments, lutein and zeaxanthin, vitamins A, C and E, minerals, zinc and copper, omega fatty acid, DHA and EPA, and natural antioxidants. Orion's Ever Bright was formulated based on this recommendation and has almost all of these nutrients good for eyes. Our eye health needs a variety of natural compounds from different food groups. Although we get most of the nutrients through our diet, due to modern way of agriculture and food practices, most of the nutrients need to be supplied as health supplements. Due to this growing demand for a unique product to support eye health, Orion's has formulated Ever Bright, having sufficiently most of the nutrients required for maintaining eye health and preventing AMD. Vitamin C helps to promote healthy capillaries, gums, teeth, cartilage, and the absorption of iron. Vitamin C also supports the health of blood vessels in the eye. Vitamin E prevents age-related macular degeneration by protecting eye cells from free radicals. Lutein and zeaxanthin filters harmful high-energy blue wavelengths of light and help protect and maintain healthy cells in the eyes. Of the 600 carotenoids found in nature, only these two are deposited in high quantities in the retina of the eye. Omega-3 fatty acids are found highest in the retina. They prevent diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration, and retinopathy of prematurity. Bilberry extract. It has been traditionally used to treat conditions like cataract and disorders of retina. It is very useful in improving eyesight, including night vision. It is rich in anthocyanins, which improve tear secretion and plasmatic antioxidant potential in dry eye disease. Orion's Ever Bright is manufactured using highly quality natural sources of essential nutrients chosen by thorough R&D and laboratory evaluation for the content and safety aspects. The extracts are procured from reputed vendors having GMP and ISO practices of superior quality standards for considerable period of time in the industry. The extracts are also being evaluated at the in-house quality control laboratory before batch productions. Orion's Ever Bright is healthy supplement specific for optic health for all adults after the age of 15 years and above. However, elderly and people who have too much exposure to blue light sources like electronic gadgets are recommended to use this product as a healthy support to eye care. It is a proven combination of pigments and nutrients having potential to prevent and delay age-related macular degeneration.